Let's learn colors with our cute little cars. Are you ready?
Yay! Red! Red slide, here comes the red slide. Look, a red car. Say it with me. Red! Whee! Down it goes. Blue slide, whoa, a pea slide. And a shiny blue car. Can you say blue? Woo! Sliding down.
Yellow slide, here is the yellow slide.
And a bright yellow truck. Let's say yellow. Whee! There it goes. Green slide. Here's a green slide. A cool green Jeep. Can you say green? Zoom! Down the slide.
Orange slide, look at the orange slide. Here comes the orange race car.
Say orange. Whee! Sliding fast. Pink slide. Wow, a pink slide. And a cute pink car. Can you say pink? Yay! That was fun.
Purple slide, here is the purple slide.